So a lot of people don't really know about this particular app. I mean, this particular website because it's relatively new. You have to join the wait list at the top right here. But you can get paid to use your computer. You're going to train AI on your own time. So you can get paid to work with Google Sheets, Google Slides, Figma, Canva, and more. Get on the wait list for your Chrome extension. So a lot of people are being on the wait list. I already joined the wait list a couple of weeks ago. So, they will invite you based on, the number of quotas that they get. But it's a really, Pango is a Chrome extension that earns you money while working on tasks. So you can see a lot of people have made up to $98. And this is going to be all dependent on if pretty much are always on your laptop or your computer. Because you won't be able to earn money unless you're actually working on your computer. Like I'm always on my computer while I'm doing my side hustle videos or I'm doing, working on different projects and stuff like that. So I'm always, using my computer every single day. So I'm going to make the maximum amount of money. And you can earn up to $98 or even more, just depending on how much you use it. But it's really training your own, AI on your own time. So, you can get a lot of money through this and then you'll be able to cash out through this. So um, you can use Google Sheets, Figma, Google Slides, Canva, and they have even more coming. Um, and it's a really good app to make your money here. So how it works, basically, Pango helps train use agents, and then the agents in turn, help you to kind of set up your computer where it's monitoring it to see what you're doing. So it's kind of like monitoring your data, without stealing any of your personal information. Now I know it's a lot of people that might be hesitant about having a computer to really monitor their files and stuff like that. But don't be nervous because it's really protecting you. It's not going to steal any of your personal information that you might have on the computer. But again, I get it if people are weary about that and they don't want to join that. You don't have to join it. There are other side hustle videos that you might like and you may not like. But go ahead, sign up, and once they roll it out, the Google Play Store or the Google extension. Once they roll this extension out, you're going to probably be the first ones to kind of know about it since you sign up with it to join the wait list. It's still going to probably be in the beta testing, and what beta testing is like